Good morning, folks. This is James. I'm Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. What I look at in terms of a stock market is that the Dow Jones futures are down by 114 points. The S&P 500 futures are also down by 15 points. And this basically means that markets are very much likely to open to the downside. And this comes on top of the sell-off that we experienced on Wall Street yesterday, because the S&P closed by over 1%. And the Dow Jones was pretty much the same as well. The only index which experienced a little bit less sell-off was the Nasdaq, because once again the investors started to think that, look, it is the tech sector which is a safe haven, because the current surge in coronavirus cases, which is making New York State to shut down all of its schools, is going to have an influence on the economic activity. So once again, that work from home stocks have become a little bit more popular. Having said this, yesterday we also had the data from Pfizer, and the efficacy rate, meaning the effectiveness of that potential coronavirus vaccine, is a lot more higher than previously thought, because now it sits at 95%, which is higher than what Moderna produced. However, the challenges are still there in relation to logistics and in relation to the transit of this particular vaccine. And because of that, traders and investors are a little bit concerned, but the more focus is on the immediate and in the short term, which is going to have an influence, an adverse influence on the economic activity. Now, speaking of that, today we also heard from ECB President Christine Lagarde, who said that governments should avoid fiscal edge, meaning any transition when they are pulling the support should be very, very smooth, so that the consumer sentiment, consumer confidence isn't widely impacted by that. And once again, the European Central Bank has assured for further support for the markets and for the economy, for the European economy as well. Now, overall, when we look at Brexit, yes, the sentiment is a little bit positive. And I think sterling, which is your British pound, is very much going to increase in the coming days, because the UK is in final stages to have an individual trade deal with Canada. This will be the second biggest deal that the UK will have since it will leave the EU, because remember, on the 1st of January, we are leaving the EU, unfortunately. And if the UK or Boris Johnson can have a deal with Canada, that will open the door for 14 other deals which are also currently in the pipeline. That's all for today from my side. Stay safe and stay blessed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.